Morning, guys. Looking at the Russell, the RTY, you can see that I had some stuff drawn on my chart from yesterday, some areas that I was looking at, and I drew the low breakout here. The high breakout was yesterday's high, but I'm going to go ahead and move this up because in the overnight session, this was the high. Okay, so you can see that we already broke out of this. So I'm just I'll mark that breakout so you can clearly see it. Okay, and there's the zone, and pretty simple setup, right? Mark your breakout area, wait for a breakout, and wait for a signal. Okay, not a lot to talk about on this chart, right? But the RTY tends to not be as messy as the NQ or YM can be sometimes. So that's why I enjoy trading it.
Order submitted.
Okay, so I just placed my buy stop one tick above
RTY trade alert
where the candle's going to close. Okay, how did I do that? Well, I have a 3-button mouse. Okay, some of you have been asking me that are not familiar with Ninja that much, how do you do it?
RTY
okay, well,
trade alert.
I have a 3-button mouse. Okay, so I hold down the control key, put my arrow in the buy column, and it's control center button.
RTY trade alert.
Okay, if I'm going short and it's, there's a short setup down here or something, then I'd be in the short column, and it'd be control and the center button.
RTY trade alert.
Where you want to place that. Okay.
Order
RTY
filled.
buy signal 4.
Okay, nice. We got filled. Go ahead and mark my entry. And now we just need follow through, right? Go check my targets. The reason I check my targets is if there's slippage, then my stop can be off by a tick or two, which means my targets will also be off by a tick or two. So you would have to adjust accordingly.
Target filled.
Nice. I got an email
RTY trade alert.
a couple days ago, somebody asking, they were unclear about the signals, that can the signals disappear? And really what they were asking is, when you watch the videos, yes, sometimes they flash on and off. That is just the heads up alert. Okay, it's literally where it came from is I have 3 monitors, and I would find myself engrossed in maybe oil or something on my left monitor, and would miss a perfect setup on the YM or NQ on one of my other monitors. So that's when I came up with the heads up alert, where when there's a potential trade, okay, all of the settings are all the indicators are lining up and if this bar closes up, the bar has to close, then you will get a heads up alert, and this arrow will flash on and off, okay? Because
RTY by signal 3.
if this keeps coming down, okay, then this arrow would never print, okay? But once it prints, it's always there. So now it's an actual signal because this bar printed, and you hear a different announcement go, okay, for a heads up alert and for the actual trade alert, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and shore up my stop right underneath that wick. So all risk is off the table.
Target filled.
Okay, nice. Nice.
Stop filled.
Okay, 52. Okay, 26 plus 52 plus 52 is 130. Nice. And the Russell is $5 a tick, in case you don't know that. So 130 times 5 is 650. Nice trade. Nice. Nice. Okay, so let's review, okay? There's not a lot going on this screen, okay? I don't have all sorts of consolidation. I just have a very simple setup. And yes, my system is simple. I believe simple is better. And if you have the right tool for the job, anything's possible. And I put a lot into this software to make it look and use to the user to be simple. Okay, so it's an expensive tool, but for any type of job, you know, if you work on cars, I love working on cars. There's specialty tools that you need to do various jobs, and trading is the same way. Okay, so this isn't just a bunch of free indicators pushed together and you know, a package that I just kind of slapped together or something. There's a lot behind the scenes to put all this together as a system, and it all work together. Okay, so we set our breakout lines for Platinum 2.3, and we got our breakout right here. We got an entry signal, so we took it. When the bar closed, we had our buy stop waiting. We got entered. We took our 1-to-1, our 2-to-1, and we got stopped out on our third contract trailing for our third contract. Okay, 26, 52, 52, 130 ticks. 26 plus 52 plus 52.
RTY trade alert.
130 ticks times $5 a tick, 650. Nice trade. Very happy. If you guys have any questions, please send me an email. I'm always happy to help. Have a good one.
RTY trade alert.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.